Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a small cute bento cake for Valentine's Day. Let's get right into the video. I've got my two heart cakes ready over here. They are for my two layers of the cake. I'm going to just loosen this up with my palette knife. If you want more hacks or secrets to how you should be baking properly, you can go and check out my previous videos. Here I'm just loosening up the cakes by dragging the palette knife at the sides of the cake. Then I'm going to remove them out of the tins and place them on my butter paper because it's easier to transfer a bento cake from your butter paper than from a board. First layer down a little bit of icing so that your cake sticks onto the butter paper, or even if you're using a board, so that it sticks onto the board and it doesn't move. Then another important part is to water your cakes or sugar water them so that they stay moist and nice for later on. Here I've put a little bit of frosting in the center to make my layer of frosting, and I'm just smoothing it out. Then I'm adding my second layer of cake on top of the frosting, and I'm just making sure that it's all even on every side. And another layer of sugar water so that it stays moist and nice. Lastly, I've plopped on a lot of frosting on top to just cover up the whole of my cake now. If you want, you can do a crumb coat first and then you can put it in to chill a little bit so that it's easier to work with. Here I've got my scraper to just smoothen out the cake completely. You can see the sides of the cake have become really nice and smooth. If you don't have a cake scraper, you can always use your palette knife to do it. But if you're interested in baking more, then I suggest you invest into a scraper because you can just see how clean the finish comes once you do it with that. Now just for the sake of decorating, I put a few hearts on top of the cake, but as you can see, it wasn't looking that great. I'll drop in a picture of what I finally ended up doing so that the cake looked a little bit nicer. This is finally how I ended up decorating the cake, and it looks much nicer than the previous one. If you like this video, then go press on the thumbs up icon and you can comment down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my thumbs twiddle again. Bye! If you like this video, then go press on the